Black Sherif's passion made him successful. Avraham ben Moshe. Hello guys and welcome back to another interesting story. Guys, if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for new videos. Thank you. Now let's quickly jump into the main story. Leader of the Common Sense family, Avraham ben Moshe, has praised Ghanaian rapper Black Sherif for his love and passion for music. According to him, this love and passion is what has helped him rise to fame in what some people consider a short while. He asserted, "Nothing in life can ever be done successfully without enthusiasm." Talking to Reverend Nkansah on Happy 98.9 FM in Sempi, he said, "This is seen in his songs. You can see from his masculinity that he has suffered for a long time and it took him a lot to get to where he is today. But for the love of what he does keeps him going." Avraham emphasized, "This is why we see him going higher and getting better each day." His style of music is also very different. It's obvious that he has love for his style of music. He could have imitated other artists, but he chose to stick to his style, and today he's making waves in the music industry, he mentioned. He mentioned that if it were to be someone else, they might have abandoned their unique style of doing music to copy that of Shatta, Wale or Stonebwoy, when you could excel doing your own thing. Per his observation, people always want to be shadows of others, and this is why they are always unable to shine. If they should stop this and learn to love what they do and be comfortable doing it, they will be the best version of themselves, he noted. He further advised people to fall in love with themselves and be comfortable doing what they want to do. Alright guys, this is what we have for today. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for more interesting stories, and please leave a like on this video. I'm out.